going to solve the first problem from HackerRank's Linux shell practice. The first problem is let's echo. As you have already seen that I have already solved this problem, but fear not, I will solve it again for you. So let's head over to the question. The question is, we have to write a simple bash script that will print the string hello. Okay. And regarding the input format, there is no input file record for this problem. That means we don't have to worry about the input at all. And the output format is simply we need to print this string, which is hello. Okay. They have also provided us a text editor right beside this question. But for now, I'm gonna use my Visual Studio Code. So first of all, keep in mind that whenever we want to print something in bash script, we need to use echo. Echo is like the print function of Python programming language or printf function for C programming language. Okay. After providing echo, we need to use quotation. Regarding the quotation, the good practice is basically using the single quote until we need the double quote. Okay. So we need to print hello here. So I'm printing this here. Okay. Now, if we want to check the output of this program, we can also do that from Windows as well. What you need to do, simply head over to the directory where we have saved the bash file. You can see that right here. Okay. And simply open the bash terminal here. And after that, what you need to do, simply use a period and a /, then the file name with the extension. Now here you don't necessarily use bash in your file name. You can use any name you want. Make sure you don't put any space if you use multiple words in your file name. Okay. And if I simply just click on enter, then I'm getting the output. Okay. So I'm simply copying and pasting it here. Before submitting the code, I should run this code as well, just for safety reason. Okay. The sample test cases has been passed. Then I need to submit this code. Success. So that's it for today. And don't worry about the code at all, because I'm gonna put the code's link in this video's description box. One more thing, if you like Bengali content, then I have another channel for that. Please go and check that out if you want Bengali content. In fact, I provide many Bengali content, programming related content, technology related content in my that channel regularly. So yeah, thanks for watching. And one more thing, if you want, you can follow me in LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, GitHub, GitLab. I will also provide all of the link in this video's description box, and I will see you in the next video.